how to split screen Fortnite on PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do split screen on Fortnite on the PlayStation 4 console. So if you was wondering how to do this, then this is the best video on YouTube that's going to break it down step by step. So be sure to pay attention, do everything I do in this video, and you should be good to go. But before I get into this video, let me grab something I want to show you guys. I try to show y'all in every video. All right, so before I get into this video, I want to let y'all know that I give away Xbox Live gift cards. I give away PlayStation Plus gift cards here on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on the first of the month. I'm gonna try to do a giveaway every first of the month, so be sure to tune in for that if you want a chance to get one of these. All I do is get on my YouTube channel here, I turn these cards around and I scratch them off. As you can see, some of these are already being scratched off because I already gave them away on my channel. But whoever's watching the video when I do the giveaway, if you put the code in before everybody else, then you are the person that gets this giveaway. All right, I just thought I wanted to let y'all know about that. But now let's get into how to do split screen on Fortnite with your PlayStation 4 console. So the first thing you guys are going to need to do this is make sure you got two controllers. This is one controller. This is controller 2. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a red controller. But it's a red controller, and then it's a black controller. Let me show y'all. You need two controllers to do this, guys. Then you need two PlayStation accounts. All right. So right now, I'm already signed into the PlayStation account number 1. So player 1, this is black controller. This black controller represents player number 1. What you're gonna do, player 1, is go ahead and click X on Battle Royale. See, player 1 is signed in. Player 2 is not signed in yet. I just want to let y'all know that. So it's going to load up. All right, as you can see, player 1 is already on the game. Now we want to get player 2 inside of the game. So all you have to do to get player 2 is to get the player 2 controller, turn it on. Player 2 is this red controller. Let me show y'all. All right. Now, player 2, all you're going to do is log into your PlayStation account. Log into your PlayStation account. So let's say this is player 2's account. And to be honest, you don't even need to be, you can log into a account on the same console, or you can log into your personal PlayStation account. But the point is, you got to have two accounts. So I'm logging in with player 2. As you guys can see, player 2 is now logged in, but it's still not letting me get on two players. Now, pay attention, because this is what you're supposed to do in order to get the split screen to work. You're going to pick up the first controller, player 1, first controller. This is what I had to do, and then it started working. You're going to hit the middle button on your controller. You're going to go back to this home screen right here, right? Go up, go into settings. You're going to go into settings. Then once you get inside of settings, go into account management. All right, this is how I did split screen. Once you get in account management, go to sign out. Sign out. All right, now you're going to go to sign in. So click X again to sign in. I hope you guys can see that. And as you can see, I'm at the log in. Let me turn the screen just so y'all don't get my passcode. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to turn it right back. Hold on. So let me just put in my passcode here, and hold on. 1. Okay. All right. Now you just put in your player 1, put in his passcode, right? I'm just logging back into my account. All right. As you can see, I logged in. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna hit circle just to go back to the home screen. Then I'm gonna go back into Fortnite. Boom. Then it says successfully logged out. I'm gonna hit X on retry. Then hit X again. And see it now. Let's see if it let player 2 comes in. Hold on. So just let it load. It's loading. Make sure both controllers are connected. As you can see, it's 2 controllers. They both got to be connected to your PlayStation. It's loading. Boom. Now, player 1, just go to Battle Royale. All right. It's loading. So it's loading right now. Let's see if it lets you in. Boom. As you can see, it worked. Look down there at the bottom of the screen. Hold on, I'm gonna try to see if I can show y'all without messing up my camera. But if you look at the bottom of the screen, right there, it says P2 log in, hold X. So I'm at the hold X right now, and let's see if we can get split screen. Hold on 1 second. Y'all be sure to subscribe to this channel if it helped you out at all, because I got more videos similar to this. Plus, I love to play Fortnite. So now, player 2, right? The red controller is player 2. All right, I'm gonna hold X. Hold on, sign in to PlayStation Network to use network features. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, okay. So guys, all y'all have to do now is make sure that you sign in to PlayStation Network. So yeah, okay. So the person that you're trying to do split screen with, make sure that they sign into an account that has PlayStation Network on it. New to PlayStation Network. So sign in ID. They'll just sign their name right here, and then their password right here, right? And then sign in. See, sign into PlayStation Network to use network features. So, hold on, let me see if I can do it with this other controller. All right. Let's just try this, y'all. Hold on. Sign in to PlayStation Network. I'm gonna see if I can sign into my account with the second controller, or do you have to have your friend to sign into their account? Let me just test this out. See if I can do it. Hold on, y'all. But that's how you do it. You just, hold on. Now I'm just seeing if I gotta, cause I'm doing this live. That's why this video is so long. But hold on, y'all. Just be patient with me. And like I say, guys, I'm doing giveaways every month. If y'all want some V-Bucks or y'all want some anything, hold on. At Gmail. Hold on. Now let me put in my code, y'all. Okay. Let me put in my code, which is, hold on. Hold on, y'all. I'm almost done. Where is it? All right, so I use second controller. So this is what happened when I tried to sign in to player 1's account with player 2 controller. Cannot use the account you entered. It is already being used by another user. So you gotta whoever you trying to play split screen with, they have to have PlayStation Network on their account in order for it to work. Now in this video, I only got one account, so it's not going to work for me. But all y'all have to do is, if let's say your friend got PlayStation, a PlayStation as well, and he has a PlayStation account that has PlayStation Network. All right, just sign into his account, and split screen is going to work. And then when it does, hold on. When it does work, you should be able to see another character pop up right here. All right, and then you should be able to play split screen. All right, so that's how that works. You got to have 2 accounts with PlayStation Network. Hopefully this video was... I dropped the phone. Hopefully this video was helpful, guys. If it did, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, that's how you do split screen. See, as you can see, Player 2 controller is working. It's just that I don't have a second PlayStation account with PlayStation Network on there, so it ain't gonna let my person pop up. But all the steps in this video work though. That's how you do it. All right, and again, guys, again, let me show y'all this again. I know I got stuff all over. Bam. Got the Xbox gift cards, PlayStation Plus gift cards. I'm gonna be giving away V-Bucks pretty soon. Got the PlayStation. I'm gonna give away V-Bucks. But this card, let me see. This one haven't been scratched off. All right, I'm gonna scratch this one off on the 1st of the month. So y'all tune in for that. And hopefully this video was helpful. I'm gonna make another video whenever, a similar video to this, but I'm gonna break down more details so that you guys don't, just in case y'all confused in this video. And leave a comment below, because I'm gonna read it and see if I can help you guys in the comment section. But just in case this video wasn't helpful enough, I'm gonna make a second video where I got to get somebody's PlayStation account, and I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to do it again. So again, hopefully this video is helpful. I'll see y'all soon.